Hey, what's up everybody? So in the video today, I'll show you how to add captions to your video here in Capcut. So with that being said, let's go ahead and show you how it is done. So you can see here, I actually have a video that I recorded myself and actually spoke over this video. So basically I'll show you how to add captions here. So make sure that your clip is actually unselected for the very first step. Now, once you actually do that, on the slider, there should be a text option that you can go ahead and click on. Now just go ahead and click on it. Now here you actually have the option to add text, stickers, and much more. But one of them being that you can actually add auto captions. Now go ahead and click auto captions here. And here you can actually, capture the sound source. Now you can actually either capture the voiceover or both of the actual ones. Now, I'm just gonna do the original sound here since this is actually a one clip and not just a voiceover over it. So all I have to do here now is just click start, and that'll actually create the auto creation of the captions here for me. So you can see here, now that the auto captions have been created, we now have text over our video as well too. So you can see that it now shows us the captions, and that is actually really cool. So that's essentially how you add captions here in CapCut to your video. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like on this video and subscribing to the channel for more how-to tutorials. But with that being said, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you until next time.